If you have not heard about prediction markets and specifically Polymarket, you're living under a rock. Polymarket is the largest growing prediction market in the world right now. So many people are trading these prediction markets and making absolutely insane gains. Yesterday, Polymarket signed a crazy deal with the Wall Street Journal and Dow Jones, literally combining the world's largest prediction market and the most trusted voices in finance. You guys can see the amount of views Polymarket prediction markets are pulling. It's absolutely insane. Every single day, Polymarket's volume goes higher and higher. You can see right here, this is the total volume on Polymarket. It is absolutely insane. And you guys already know, where attention goes, money flows. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started trading Polymarket prediction markets. You missed Bitcoin. You missed meme coins. Don't miss the next move. First of all, you want to start with a reputable platform to actually trade these markets on. Okay, there's a lot of fake platforms, a lot of platforms taking crazy fees out of your wins. So Bullpen is my platform of choice. If you guys have been in meme coins or in crypto for a while, you can see that the people who Bullpen are affiliated with are the largest people in crypto, right? We have people like Ansem, who literally has almost 1 million followers on X. We have people like Function with thousands of followers trading on Bullpen. Bullpen is definitely one of the best trading platforms to actually trade on. I told you guys about Axiom last year before Axiom blew up. And what happened? It turned out to become the best meme coin trading platform. So guys, don't be late for this one. Bullpen offers the lowest fees, fastest transactions, and the best edge out of any other prediction market terminal. So without further ado, let's get into this. Let me show you guys how exactly I trade prediction markets. So first off, I do want to note that Bullpen, my trading terminal of choice, is in early access, okay? So only the top people are going to be able to get access to it. I have a link down below that you guys can get access to, but you will need some codes, okay? So I found a solution. I created a Telegram where here's the codes right now if you guys want to sign up off of this video. Every couple days, I will release a bunch of codes into the Telegram so you guys can actually get access to the prediction markets. All you're going to want to do to get access to Bullpen is click the link in the description. This is going to lead you to this page. You can sign up with Google, X, or your wallet. Doesn't matter. I suggest you sign up with X anyways once you're in the platform so you can track other people and people can see yourself. But I actually created a brand new account here so I can show you guys basically what you have to do. Once you log in using that link in the description, you're going to want to go to markets and then click on prediction market right here. And you can see enter Polymarket beta, invite code, don't have a code. You can sign up for the waitlist. But like I said, guys, I got you 10 codes here and I'll be dropping more codes later. I'm actually going to use this code right here and let's get into the Polymarket section. Boom, there we go. That code worked. And now we are in the section, okay? So you guys can see it's pretty much like Polymarket, but we basically just have more edge, okay? We have faster transactions, we have way less fees, and the best part is Polymarket is banned in a lot of countries. This will fully bypass the ban, so you don't have to use a VPN, you don't have to buy one. You can literally just come onto Bullpen and trade the same markets with the fastest transactions, cheaper fees, and more edge without any of the hassle. So you can see here, Bullpen has all the markets you might want, right? If you like betting on sports, here you go. If you like predicting where Bitcoin will go, for 15-minute, hourly, 4-hour, etc., you can come trade that here. And I actually have a very, very good method, which I have made literally like $2,000 trading this method. I'll throw up some screenshots trading this method. I'll post a video in the next couple days explaining the method. So make sure you like and subscribe so you see that video. But it's absolutely insane. You can make so much money with the method. So I'll definitely post that very soon. But I kind of want to keep it gatekeeped just in case it gets patched. But here you go. Here, there's event scope. So you can basically see, who's buying into what. And you can kind of see where is big money collecting, right? We can have alerts here for filters. We can have, a bunch of different filters. And right, like I said, we're in beta right now. They're going to release so much more filters. But you can basically see where the big money is stacking and you can follow their trades. Here, there's some different signals that you might want to follow. There's a calendar with all the different events. So let's say okay, I want to be trading for the next 3 days. These are all the events, right? There's sports down here. There's, different, Bitcoin up or down, Elon Musk's tweets. You can go to the monthly, see what type of events are there. You can see by the day. It's just all in one spot and it's so clean with the UI. Also, if you're more of a perps person, perps can be bought and sold straight through Bullpen as well if you want to use Bullpen as your trading platform of choice, right? We even have like, traditional markets like silver, and even more. One of my favorite parts of Bullpen is their global leaderboard, which right here you can see that we can literally track some of the top Polymarket traders. It's insane, right? We can just see transparently what they're buying, what they're selling, and their profiles are right here. So let's say right here I want to see, okay, what did he put his money on? Magic versus Wizards, he put $12,000 on to make 43,000, and it looks like he actually did get that win. So this is the past 7 days. You can go to all time, you can go to daily, and bro, there's people printing on Polymarket. You can also come here and connect your X to the Bullpen global leaderboard, and here you can just see all the top traders on X, and obviously you can click on their stuff, see what they're up to, see how much they're making. But yeah, that is basically it for today's video, boys. I hope you did enjoy. I'm going to be posting a lot about Polymarket on my X, okay? So that's going to be underscore LLV crypto right here. I've already been posting so much about Polymarket and Bullpen and these prediction markets because I'm just so bullish on them. They are truly, one of the best markets you can be trading right now because it is for everybody. If you like sports, go trade the sports. If you like politics, go trade the politics. If you like court cases, right? If you're a lawyer, you can start trading Diddy court cases. Like you can trade everything through Bullpen and on Polymarket. So boys, I hope you start printing on Polymarket trading. I'm going to make so many more videos about Polymarket because I think there's a huge market for it. I think honestly, this is the beginning of something great. It really does feel like meme coins before they blew up and before people started bundling them and everything. It really does feel like we are entering the new stage of crypto. But anyways, boys, hope you guys did enjoy. Hope you learned something. Good luck trading these markets. See you in the next one. Peace.